Hey, what's up everybody? Enin here from U Droid Mania, and today you've come to the right place if you want to find out if this UltraGlass Screen Protector is worth the money and will protect your S25 Ultra. Let's go ahead and get this open. When it comes to the features, it said that it covers them all. Protection, no bubbles, scratches, usage, and fingerprints, but I'll be the judge of that. The packaging is decent, nothing more than what you need. Inside, you find an envelope with the instruction manual and cleaning supplies to prep your phone screen. Let's take a quick look. Read the manual if you need to, but let's continue. Next, you'll find the installation kit. Now, I don't know about you, but I for one am glad that manufacturers went this route. It makes the installation super easy. Now this is a 2-pack, so you get double the protection for $27 at the time I bought it. It's not cheap per se, but I guess affordable. But only you know how much you want to spend. Let's keep going. With the contents out the way, we'll go ahead and install the protector. And this is what I call a 3-step process. First, we start by cleaning the phone screen. Even though my S25 Ultra is new, I don't skip this step. If you've seen any of my screen protector videos, then you've heard me say before, if it's on your screen when you do the installation, it will be trapped on there after. So take your time and don't rush it. Next, be sure to dry your screen so that you don't have any streaks. The better you clean your screen, the better you will feel about your install. I'm just saying. I learned this based on experience. That's how I know. That's why you're here, right? Before you start though, don't forget to use these stickers to remove any loose fibers. It's important. I know, it might not seem like it, but trust me, it is. Okay, let's continue. Lastly, we'll install the screen protector. Using the installation kit, make sure to line it up, and when ready, pull the tab to start the process. Now when removing the kit, it will seem like you're removing the protector. I mean, if you're careful, you won't. Just take your time and don't pull too hard and you'll be fine. Now that we've installed the protector, let's see how we've done. Here's a look at the finished product. Right away, I do notice that the screen seems a bit more reflective. So as I use it, I'll have to see if this is a problem. Did you see that note about the fingerprint reader? Yup, so you'll need to re-add them after this. I did it, and now it works with no problems. Next, I installed one of my favorite cases. Link down below, so go and check it out. Based on the way it fits, for the types of cases I use, I don't see any issues. Let's keep going. Overall, for first impressions, I would say this one is a go. If you need a screen protector, I've got the link down below, so go and check it out. Okay, folks, so there you have it. Just a quick unboxing and installation to show you the screen protector I'm using. Fun fact, it's exactly a month later and I already broke this one. It did the job. Not a single scratch on my phone screen, so I'm glad this was a 2-pack. If you've enjoyed today's video, do leave a thumbs up. If you're new here, subscribe before you go. As always, I'd like to thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next one.